Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the one-way story, a Labrador's journey with a clear emotional through line. This gives every shot purpose. Gather gear, phone or camera, a 50 to 200 mm equivalent if possible, and simple audio. Once ready, shoot the intro, wide establishing park shots, then tighter portraits. Make sure to capture the Labrador's signature actions. Record ambient sound for 20-40 seconds. Begin with actionable footage now, not philosophical prep. That momentum carries the edit. You now construct the middle. Escalate with contrast, playful scenes versus a subtle setback. Film each action in 3 sizes, wide for context, medium for behavior, close-up for emotion. This ensures flexible edits. Collect B-roll, pause on pavement, leash tension, sunlight on fur. These bridge cuts and add rhythm. Use reaction beats to show cause and effect. When the Labrador hesitates, cut to the owner's cue. Once done, label clips clearly for quick retrieval during the edit. You finish by assembling shots into a coherent arc. Place your strongest emotional beats on beats 1 and 3, trimming excess to hit a tight 2 to 3 minute runtime. Layer audio, ambient low, Foley for steps, a music track under 50% volume that supports mood. Color grade subtly to unify scenes. If things go wrong, sync errors, or noisy takes, relink external audio, use ambient to smooth jumps, or record a clean voiceover that narrates the Labrador's inner journey. That usually saves the cut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.